everyone. Welcome to AHR Expo in Las Vegas. AHR is the largest HVAC show in North America. I'm your host, Eric from Inovance. Inovance is a responsible participant in global industrial automation. With over a decade of specialization in HVAC, we deliver reliable electrical products and solutions. Here at our booth, we arrange our products into different scenarios of HVAC application. They are commercial, transportation, and residential. Welcome to our booth. Come and get a close look with our engineers.
Hey everyone, this is David with Inovance. And I want to introduce you to one of the newest products, the MB33 Hairpin motor. Super high efficient, super compact. I'm amazed at how much power they were able to fit in such a tiny space. Now I want you to take a look at this. This is the size right here of a normal motor that would contain the power inside this motor. It's absolutely amazing, guys. You got to check it out.
Hello everyone, I'm Thomas Chen, Global Product Manager for HVAC industry at Inovance. This topology outlines the product portfolios specifically focused on HVAC commercial applications. The CA3 series drive is designed for screw compressor. It's a uni-mounted design, supports both horizontal and vertical mounting. Here is a CA300 drive cabinet solution, and which also adopts the uni-mounted design. This is our CA550 drive. It is designed for centrifugal chillers and is AFE integrated solution. Our cabinet solution has passed anti-seismic testing and SEMI F47 testing. It's suitable for the scenarios of data centers and hospitals. MD680, our premier drive, our next generation drive platform globally.
Inovance medium voltage AC drive covers a power drain from 250 kW to over 10 MW. It adapts to various voltage from 3 kV to 30.8 kV. It is cascaded H-bridge race, and it comes with an integrated phase shifting transformer which ensure low harmonics to the supply network. This topology here outlines the product portfolios focused on the light commercial application, including the HMI, PLC controller, and the plate-type drive. The design of this plate-type drive allows users to install in the electrical panel easily. And also the dual output of this drive design can drive one fan and one compressor with one drive. This is Inovance multi-in-one AC controller for bus and cold chain transportation application. It integrates the inverter, DC-DC, PLC, and PDC control inside, featuring a wide operating range and higher power density. Its IP65 design ensures a stable and continuous operation in harsh environments.
Welcome to the high-speed levitation product that we product. So it consists of 4 different packages. Is the drive itself. The drive itself has a advanced technology, which is your SiC, your silicone carbide technology. Motor consists of tool, bearings, magnetic, and it uses a distributed center along with bearing control.
What do you think about our products? Besides our products, Inovance is also working on how to establish local-to-local support in North America. Now we have our factory in Mexico, we have our warehouse and a local service partner in the US. Let's keep moving forward to build a partnership with you. Welcome to Inovance.